Hey Team Per Lemon. So here is another tutorial on how to use CrazyCall, and this time using the Chrome extension. So all you need to do is go to your dashboard and then go to Call widget, install the Chrome add-on. It's going to take you to a Chrome Web Store extension link, and then all you need to do is add to Chrome the CrazyCall click to call extension. And it's actually pretty simple because it actually helps you use all the features from any website. Let's say, for example, you need to go to perlemon.com. Let's just pin it here. Okay, and now you've got the CrazyCall widget. Log in. And let's select the project that we'll be working on. Okay, and now let's choose any number, any number. Do we not have numbers on our Perlemon website? Okay, if you go, for example, for CBD shops UK, and now as you can see, every number turns into a red one that you can just click on, and it will automatically be put in CrazyCall. So this plugin should make your life much easier when calling off Google Maps, Yelp, or even Zoom Info.